Renardo, it's the Tampa Police Department. Look, man, we're not going to hurt you, we promise. Leave the gun inside and come out with your hands up over your head so they can see them. Just leave the gun inside, okay? When you step out, do what the officers tell you. They're going to direct you what to do. Nobody out here wants to hurt you.
Listen, I'm telling you, I'm giving you my word. I want you to come out, and I do not want you to get hurt, okay? Okay, can we get you out safe? No firearm in your hand. There are officers out here, okay? But they're just making sure nobody else is gonna get hurt. They're not here to hurt you. Listen, Renardo, I will personally come talk to you when you come out, okay? I'm literally right downstairs. Like I will talk to you when you come out.
Renardo, Officer Rizzo's trying to call you back. Pick up the phone. She's trying to call you from a different number. She doesn't have access to that phone anymore. She knows you're worried. There's nothing to be worried about. We're trying to make this all better.
Back off, okay? Come back again. Come back. Keep that shield up. Go. You good, bro? Go back.
Oh, I'm good.
Go back around.
I got you.
You guys alright?
Yep. Yeah, we're good.
Hit the shield. Put your hands up! Put your hands up! He's in the bathroom. Put your hands up! Come out! You need to put your hands out where I can see them. Do it now! Do it now!
Got another shield here.
He's in a closet-like thing back there.
Yeah, he's got the thing barricaded. The door is barricaded. He's got a dresser on the dresser in front of the door.
I see he's coming out. Oh. You see your hands, man! See your hands!
You see him?
Yeah, I just saw a gun. He's still armed.
You get him?
I don't know. Talk to me, man! Let's go! Got any movement, Sean? No movement. He shot at me.